Salut à tous et à toutes. Aujourd'hui, une nouvelle présentation. En fait, c'est une présentation très courte. Il s'agit du pronom en. Okay, so new presentation today. It's about the pronoun en. En. Let's see what it means. Okay, look at this example right here. Let's start with a nice example. Je mange des pommes. I eat some apples. It looks like apples is a recurrent example that I give in my presentations. Okay, so je mange des pommes. I eat some apples. That's how you use the pronoun en or le pronom un. J'en mange une. Let's see. Pomme or des pommes, it's being replaced by en. So un. So right here, un in red, I just told you here that replaces pomme. And look, it goes right after the subject and between the verb. Okay, but what does this mean? Why do we do this? It's again a way to replace a thing or a quantity, not to be redundant. It's like saying je mange des pommes, je mange 4 pommes. I eat some apples, I eat 4 apples. You don't say I eat 4 apples, you would say I eat some apples, I eat 4 of them. That's what you would say, I eat 4 of them, right? You don't repeat apples all the time. So it's the same thing, you know, not to be redundant, not to be repetitive. There's this system to replace a thing and specifically, look at this, a quantity. You have to remember this word quantity because un is mostly for quantities, to replace quantities or to state a quantity. See right here, je mange des pommes, I eat some apples, and now you're saying j'en mange une, I eat one of them. So now you're specifying the quantity. Okay, having said that, we have to specify that to replace some thing or quantity and use un, the word will be preceded by du, de la, de apostrophe, de l apostrophe, de, or de l apostrophe, I should say, and de. This means, here we go, the example. This means that, look at the example. Elle achète du lait. She buys some milk. See? Now, if you do this, I circle do here, and do, you have it over here. So, as you can tell, the thing that she's buying, which is milk, lait, it's preceded by do. And now that's your answer here if you want to replace du lait. Look how you answer. Elle en achète. So you can say just elle en achète, which means she buys it. She buys it. Or you can say, see in parentheses I put a liter, en litre, so you can specify the quantity. So you can answer two ways. You can just stop at elle en achète, so it means she buys it. Or you can just see, or you can add elle en achète en litre, 2 litres, 3 litres. And that would mean that she buys 4 liters. She buys 5 liters, but you don't repeat milk, right? In English, it's the same thing. You don't repeat milk. So you're replacing it with un. So this is pretty easy. Let's see now a practical exercise. I'll give you 5 minutes. Pause this and try to follow the example right here. Je lis 4 livres. I read for books. Look how it becomes. J'en lis 4. I read 4 of them. Okay? Follow the example and try to do this exercise. I'll give you pretty much 5 minutes, and I'll see you back in 5 minutes so that you can pause it and I can give you the solution after. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, here's your solution right now. First sentence. Il mange 4 sandwiches. Look how it becomes. Il en mange 4. So as you can tell, you always have the subject pronoun first, or the subject. Then you have un, that replaces sandwich. And then you have the verb mange. And then you're specifying how many. 4. But you're replacing sandwiches, right? So, il en mange 4. Deuxième. Nous faisons beaucoup d'exercices. So, again, you're substituting the word in brackets. And look how it becomes. Nous en faisons beaucoup. Nous faisons beaucoup d'exercices. Nous en faisons beaucoup. So, you're, again, substituting exercise. And you're putting it right after the subject pronoun. Then you have un. And then you have the verb. And then you have beaucoup, which is an adverb, okay? 3. Elles ont 3 frères. So they have 3 brothers, okay? Elles en ont 3. Elles en ont 3. Look what happens. Again, elles, subject pronoun, or subject, simply. Then un replaces frère. And then on is the verb that goes with the subject pronoun. And then trois, which is the number 3, the quantity. So they have 3 of them. Ils en ont 3. Okay? Numéro 4. J'ai 5 enfants. Je n'ai 5. Same thing, same story. Subject pronoun first, then en, and then you have your verb that goes with the subject pronoun that is conjugated with the subject pronoun. In this case, verb avoir, because you're saying I have 5 brothers, I have 5 of them. J'en 5. J'en ai 5. Okay? Numéro 5. Tu as beaucoup de livres. Tu en as beaucoup. This is how it becomes. Okay, so again, subject pronoun, en, then verb avoir with tu, and then beaucoup, which is the adverb. So you have to follow this formula at all times, and this is how you use le pronom en, which is utilized to replace or to state a quantity in a sentence where you don't want to repeat the thing that or the quantity that you're talking about, not to be redundant. Go back at any time to see this presentation, and online there's all kinds of exercises about the le pronom en. Try to practice a little bit and leave me messages or comments if you have any questions. Ok, c'est tout pour maintenant. À la prochaine.